The E2 visa is an absolutely wonderful opportunity that is enjoyed by thousands of immigrants every year. We have assisted hundreds of families to realize their American dream and begin a brand new life in America. So we're delighted to start this adventure with you. You're in safe hands. In this video, I'd like to give you an overview of the basics of the E2 visa. As we start working your case, we'll provide you with a list of all the required documentation. This list can be a little daunting at first. However, we've created a series of E2 videos, guides, and samples that have been carefully designed to explain and illustrate every aspect of your case.
The premise of the E2 visa is to enable you to settle in the United States as a business owner. You have the choice of starting your own business or taking over an existing business. In addition to creating employment for yourself, your business will be required to create full-time employment for at least 2 Americans. To get the ball rolling, you may be able to come over to America under the Visa Waiver Program or some other temporary visa such as the B1, B2 tourist visa. If you're planning to start your own business, then once you've arrived, your goal will be to start making business expenditures. These business expenditures will form part of your E2 visa application. Alternatively, if you're planning to buy a business, then your goal will be to find the right business for sale and then make an offer. Once an offer has been made to buy a business, you'll be required to contract with an escrow company. Escrow companies hold monies on behalf of the seller and the buyer. You will pay the full purchase price into an escrow account. When the E2 visa has been approved and all other buyer-seller matters are resolved, the escrow company will transfer the funds on deposit to the seller.
Some clients thought that they could simply move to America, deposit say $100,000 into their own business account and then apply for the E2 visa. Then, only after the E2 visa had been approved would they be ready to start making their investments. Of course, this sounds perfectly rational. However, the E2 visa application process requires the investor to invest first and then apply for the visa. These E2 visa requirements are counterintuitive, and some clients have a hard time coming to terms with this. However, if you're looking to buy a business and the purchase monies are paid into an escrow account, then the exposure to risk is limited.
So, the most important thing to take away from this presentation is, if you're planning on starting your own business, you have to make all of your business expenditures first, and then we can apply for your E2 visa. If you're looking to buy a business, you must actually make an offer and deposit the full purchase price into escrow.
Our legal team is dedicated to making sure that everything about your case is well documented to meet all of the E2 visa requirements. We'll be with you every step of the way, so try and enjoy the process. Have fun finding the right business, the business you've always dreamed of.